so.
I'm afraid so.
Mrs. McCready?
I'm afraid so.
I've been a Hulk for 2 years. I'm afraid so.
Do we have you for dinner tonight?
I'm afraid so.
No appointment, no nothing.
Oh, I'm afraid so.
In this neighborhood.
Yes, I'm afraid so.
I hope you are not here about this brown water business too.
I'm afraid so.
Does this mean you're gonna kill me too, Sergio?
I'm afraid so.
Serge? I'm afraid so. That little prick.
This is it? The whole vault?
I'm afraid so.
I could end up paralyzed.
I'm afraid so.
On a level.
Yeah, I'm afraid so.
Is he the one whose father and brother were just burnt alive?
I'm afraid so.
Are the rumors true? Help us.
I'm afraid so, Professor.
Is it true what you wrote me about Victoria? I'm afraid so, Frank. She just ran off with some guy.
So you found the center of the maze.
You're serious.
I'm afraid so.
Check that. Make it the fire department.
Is that my car?
I'm afraid so. Have a seat. It's been a long day.
I think Costello's got a spy inside the Special Investigation Unit.
You serious?
I'm afraid so.
This has all come from my own mind.
Which would mean that I'm not real.
Afraid so.